Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to present this Harley-Davidson XL1200 48. Registered the 21st of October 2010 on a 60 plate, with only 5,231 miles, and presented in vivid black. This one owner from new example is simply stunning, and benefits from main dealer service history, Stage 1 tuning, and is adorned with must-have extras which includes Vance & Hines exhausts, Screamin' Eagle air filter and fuel pack and spring seat. The original rear seat is also included in the sale. Sitting between the cruising 1200 Custom and the aggressive Sportster Roadster, the retro-themed Harley-Davidson 48 combines aspects of its two brothers to create something entirely different. The 48 is renowned for its heavy-hitting fat tire style and bulldog stance. The ever-popular V-twin engine delivers bags of low-end torque, and the bike handles beautifully. This superb example comes fully serviced, complete with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01 424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.